Solve the following quadratic equation for x. So here root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. So first here I'll solve by prime factorization. Factorization method. Root 3 x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. So here root 3 into 7 root 3. Root 3 into 7 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 7, 21. Now I need to split the middle term 10 by using like 21. So I'll use 7 into 3 or 3 into 7. Now here see root 3x square plus 3x plus 7x plus 7 root 3. Here I'll tell you one logic. In most of the problems it will work. Either in the first two terms or in the next two terms it will be easy for us to take common. So here clearly in the next two terms it's very clear. 7 I can take common. Root 3 x square plus 3x plus 7 if I'll take common. Here if I'll take 7 common, I can write x plus root 3. Now you can balance on the left side. You can write here directly x plus root 3. So here it was root 3x square, so I need to take root 3x common. Or otherwise you can write root 3x square. This 3 you can write as root 3 times root 3, because root 3 into root 3 is 3, plus 7x plus 7 root 3. You can do this way. Now root 3x if you will take common, here x plus root 3 plus 7 if you will take common, x plus root 3. So now x plus root 3 if I'll take again common, so I'll be left with root 3x plus 7 equals 0. So x plus root 3 equals 0. Root 3x plus 7 equals 0. So x value is minus root 3. Root 3x is minus 7. So x is minus 7 by root 3. So if you rationalize into root 3 by root 3, minus 7 root 3 by 3. So the two values are x equals minus root 3, x equals minus 7 root 3 by 3. You can solve this by using formula also. See, root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. So I'll use the formula like quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here the value of a is root 3, b is 10, c is 7 root 3. So if I'll substitute in the formula, minus b plus or minus under root b square 10 square 4 into root 3 into 7 root 3 by 2a 2 root 3, because a is root 3, minus 10 plus or minus 10 square is 100 minus, see here this is root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 into 7 21, 21 into 4 is 84 by 2 root 3. So x equals minus 10 plus or minus 100 minus 84 is 16 by 2 root 3. So x equals minus 10 plus or minus 4 by 2 root 3. So now here the two values are, first one is x equals minus 10 plus 4 by 2 root 3, And the other one is minus 10 minus 4 by 2 root 3. So x equals minus 6 by 2 root 3. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So if I rationalize root 3 by root 3. X equals minus root 3. 3 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. X equals minus root 3. The other one, x equals minus 14 by 2 root 3. 2 times 1, 2 times 7. Now if I rationalize this here into root 3 by root 3, x equals minus 7 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So here the two answers are x equals minus root 3, x equals minus 7 root 3 by 3.